Good afternoon, everyone. It's Crystal Boyer, CEO of National Children's Museum. I am here with my son, Preston. We have another activity that we wanted to share with you all for STEAMwork today. We are going to do a design build challenge.
And all the kids around the world are going to do a challenge for the biggest marble set or run set.
Oh yeah, exactly. So what we're doing is we are going to use our marble run to build a ball run. You can do this at home with other items. We're going to mix in some things we found around the house as well. But we are challenging kids all over to build their own ball run this week at home. So you can use anything that's round for the ball, right? What can we use?
A ball, a tiny ball.
A marble?
Or a tiny ball.
Anything round, anything that'll roll, you could use for this. So we're gonna try to build one here on our stairs, and then we'll share it with you all, and we can't wait to see what you build at home as well. So Preston has finished his ball run, and now he wants to challenge kids all over to do their own ball run at home with any ball you have, anything round that'll roll. And you could build it out of recycled materials. We have a couple of recycled materials at the top. But if you want to build your own ball run and put the picture or video in our comments or send them to us, we are going to feature another kid next week in our Design Build Challenge. So Preston, why did we build it up high? Why did we use the stairs?
Because we didn't have momentum.
You wanted momentum. And what is it that pushes things towards the ground? What is that? What's that called?
Gravity.
Gravity, that's right. So let's see. Gravity's gonna move that marble right down the stairs. Okay, careful. Let's try to put it in and see if it works. Ready? Go. It's in. Is it gonna go all the way down? I think so too. Oh boy, lots of spinners in there. Awesome, buddy. This is a good build. Is it your longest build ever?
Mm-hmm.
I think so. Wow.
For you it isn't.
For me it isn't.
Remember the dream machine?
The dream machine was a big build.
It was definitely bigger.
So this has been our Design Build Challenge. We look forward to seeing what you build at home too. Bye everyone.